guys! So, quick update lang po kay First Solar, no? So, nag-withdraw po ako ng 110 pesos. So, you have received 88 pesos of GCash from. So, meron po siyang withdrawal fee na 22 pesos. So, ang withdrawal fee po is 20%, no? So, ilang araw, 10 days na si Solar, pero paying pa din po siya, guys. So, ayun guys, if you want to invest, ilalagay ko na lang po sa pinned comment section ko yung aking link. And ito nga po yung isang short term na nagtagal and pumaldo na din po yung ibang nating investor dito, no? So, ayan guys, ang First Solar 5, ang pinakamalaki nila na price, 3,260. Ang daily profit niya is 888. Tapos, sa First Solar 1, 160 lang po yung total price. Daily profit is 36. So, mukhang ito yung magtatagal, guys, no? Na short-term investment katulad ng SciSpecs, no? 10 days na ba? 10 days na po si First Solar. Ito po, you have received 88 pesos of GCash. So, ayan, guys, paying po to si First Solar until now. So, yun guys, may daily sign-in to na 5 pesos and lagi po natin pinapaalala, invest what you can afford to lose lang po guys. And please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Bye-bye! So, paying pa rin talaga si First Solar.